This is a really quick impromptu video. I'm just coming from Target and I just wanted to show you guys these press-on nails that I found there, and it was a really good price. It was like $7. And I'm really starting to get into the press-on easy quick nails. You know, I love the nail salon. I love going to get my nails done, but it's very time consuming, especially with like 2 kids now, and you can't find the time. I'm like, hey, let me try this press-on nail trend, because it's really getting trendy on the internet, on Instagram. So I'm like, let me try these. They're really inexpensive, and it does come with like more than one set in a pack, and it comes with glue and also adhesive tabs as well. So you guys, my nails do not grow. I don't know, maybe I need to take some kind of biotin or nail growth stuff, but my nails, they grow and then they become very soft. They're not strong at all, so they break off very easily. So it sucks. I really take care of my nails. I don't bite them or anything like that, but they just do not, they just grow a little bit and they just fall off. So I have like man hands. But I love nails and I love long pointy nails. So I found these in my local Target. The box is ripped. So it's the Kiss Glam Fantasy Ultimate Illusion Nails. I did kind of rip it. But yeah, it looks like this. It has like a metallic kind of shine. I love nude colors, and I love a glitter accent nail. So this is like the Special FX type. Amazing gel look, ultra smooth finish. It comes with 28 nails, and also mega adhesive tabs and glue is included. So I was like, okay, shoot, I don't even have to buy glue or the adhesive tabs, and it just depends on what you want to use. So I'm gonna do a quick review on how to apply these and see if this is something that can replace my manicures, or hopefully they last and stay stuck on, because I do work with a keyboard, and every day at work I'm wondering how these will hold up. But it does give you the instructions on how to apply the tabs and the glue. So I'm really curious. I have done press-on nails before, but I do feel like they tend to pop right off. So I don't know, maybe these are different, I don't know. But yeah, let's get into it and we will see. Keep watching. Okay, so the first step is prep. So we need to clean the nails with polish remover and wash hands thoroughly with soap, and then select the correct size. So just want to show you guys a quick look on how the nails look. They're really, really pretty. Ultimate Illusion nails, the FX, Special FX. So I'm going to use my strengthening nail polish remover and just rub over each one of my nails with a little bit of the solution, and then wash my hands. So nails nice and clean, and my ring is like really sparkling under this light. I love it. So nice and clean. So I'm going to go ahead and select the correct sizes that I feel like is right for my fingers. These are so pretty. So it does come with adhesive tabs, a little buff thing, and like a cuticle pusher to push your cuticles back, and then it also comes with glue. So I don't know which one I'm going to use. These are kind of like the advertisement nails, and then the rest of the nails are in the back. But I might as well just take those off anyway. But it comes with 28 nails, so it's good enough to do two sets. So I'm gonna go through and select the correct sizes. It doesn't say anything about anything else I need to do as far as using this, but I guess I'm gonna push my cuticles back to align that with cuticles. Gonna push back from it. Okay. Press my nails in a certain time. First hour. Okay. All right. So I'm just gonna push my nails back a little bit. Excuse me. Push my cuticles back a little bit. But I don't think I'm going to use the buffer, because I don't want any sandy texture or anything on my nail, since I already used polish remover So I'm just gonna use this end, kind of push my cuticles back. Because even though you may not see it, everybody has a little bit of cuticle that needs to be pushed back to where the nail can sit up against your skin here, so the nail can sit up against it nicely, and it'll prevent any lifting. So I'm just gonna go through and push these back, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and selected all the nails that match my nail size, and I went ahead and took the adhesive tabs out of the pack. So it has a number, but I can pretty much tell which sticky pad goes on the biggest and which sticky pad goes on the smallest. So I'm going to start by, well, let me look at what the directions say. Apply adhesive tab. So I'll do the adhesive tab application. Apply adhesive tab to natural nail, press and smooth, then peel off the film. So it's a film on each nail. It's a film on each adhesive pad. So one side is sticky. One side is sticky. So I turn the sticky side over. And then put it like that, because of course the rounded part would go on the rounded part of your nail. And then it's a tiny film that needs to be peeled off. It's really, really hard to determine where the film is and how to get it off. It's really, really thin film. Okay, so as you can see, I just peeled it off. Now I'm gonna take my skinniest nail that fits my pinky, and I'm gonna line it up right with the cuticle. Press down really, really hard. So I'll roll, press, roll, press. Oh, now I know what this is for. Now I know what this is for. I think they want you to buff off this little piece. So I may do a test. That looks really cute. I hope it doesn't look like it's like lifting though. So what I'm gonna do a test. I'm gonna do some nails with gel and some nails with the adhesive pad. Now, as you can see, my nail is definitely hanging off. I don't know if I picked the wrong size, but maybe I need to like kind of buff that out. That looks a little better. So the one thing about these that I'm noticing, they're very thin. The nail itself is very thin, so hopefully it doesn't bend really bad, but it's cute. So I'm gonna press really hard. So on my next one that I'm gonna do, I'm going to use the glue, and I'm gonna see which one holds up the best, which one doesn't fall off the easiest. On the nail glue, it has this little tab on it, so you take the tab and I think you twist it off, but be careful because you don't want to get any glue on your skin. And I think I did. I got a little glue on my skin. So I'm going to use the nail glue method this time, just so I can see both methods. So with the glue application, apply glue to the back of the artificial nail, apply glue to the natural nail, and then hold for 5 seconds. So that's easy enough. So I'm gonna put it on the back, so both. So put it on the back of the nail and put it on your natural nail. So I'm gonna put it right here. And also put some on my natural nail. Now I'm guilty of ripping off glued on nails. That's probably why my nails look the way they do. So I'm gonna put it as close to my cuticle and make sure it's straight, because a lot of the time I never put it on straight. And then hold down for 5 seconds. All right, so that one should be on. I did get a little bit of glue kind of like seeping through on the side. If you wipe that off with your finger, be sure not to touch the nail because it's gonna be like a fingerprint of nail glue on the nail, and it's gonna be like dull and it's not gonna be shiny. So that's pretty cute so far. The difference between the glued one and this one with the adhesive tab is that it's lifted a little bit in the back because the tab is so thick, but we'll see which one lasts the longest. So I'm gonna do this. I'll probably do glue, adhesive tab, and glue, and I'm gonna see which lasts the longest. So I'll be right back with you guys with the full application. Here is the finished result. So I just realized that there are some nails in here that has like a holographic look, and I really like that look, but I realized I didn't put any of those on this hand, so it kind of sucks. But I really like these. Like I said, one drawback about these is that they are pretty thin. You know how acrylic tends to be pretty thick. They're a little bit thin, so I'm worrying about them bending. Like when I type, when I go to type or whatever at work, I'm worried about them bending. But overall, these are really, really cute. They're really expensive and they're really quick for beginners. And they really have a natural look to it. I really like the holographic ones more than the tan ones because you can kind of tell that it's not acrylic because of the cuticle area. But I tried to learn some tricks, and I kind of like, you have to dig them into your nail, like dig them into the cuticle, like dig it in so it's not like it's just sitting on top. And I noticed that when I use that technique, you see how it's no spacing and then how it's spacing. You want to like dig it into that nail bed so it looks like it's a fresh acrylic set. But this is it. Let me know what you guys think. I really like them. Hopefully they last. And another thing, I do feel like the adhesive pads are going to give me a little bit more, a longer lasting, it won't come off using the adhesive pads versus just the glue. I feel like the glue probably will fall off a little bit sooner, but I don't want to go rambling on. Let me know if you guys like this. If you want me to do more, just let me know in the comments below, and be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Okay, thanks you guys for tuning in. Bye.